Smart money concept, my favorite trading strategy. Hello everyone, today we are going to learn smart money concept in the easiest way possible. In smart money concept, what we are looking at are the two levels, which are the high and the lows. We look at the highs and the lows. Now let's go down to the lower time frame and start diving. Now what we can see here, we usually go to the higher time frame in order to see what is the trend of the market. So seeing the trend of the marketing will help you know if the market is in an uptrend or is in a downtrend. As you can see right now, this trend was in a range. As you can see here, market was not moving, was in consolidation state. Then finally it's breakout. Now this is the break of structure, means what structure? This consolidation structure, and this one here, you can see there was a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then it break that previous high and it continue going up, but suddenly markets went down until it break the structure to the downtrend. This was the structure, this was the structure to the downtrend. Now even though this market it's breakout, but now it's coming down to that level. We are not calling this like a break of structure again, although you call it a break of structure but this one is like change of character, because right now it's going down and down and down. As you can see, it keeps on breaking out every single level. Now whenever level it's broken, you need to look at it as if which level makes this break of structure been broken. Obviously this level here. Let me zoom in order for you to see it properly. Let me zoom in like this. Let's look here. Let's have a closer look here. So why not this level here? Because this level, it went down in this area here. It create like a little bit of some movement, then it's go down, it's create some little movement, then go down, then it create like a little movement, then it's go down. So this little movement here, this is like where new supply area was created, and this is the one which make this go down until it broke this level. So the market can eventually come to the level which caused the break of structure, then continue to the downside. But this is hourly time frame, and this is just like very far away. Let's go to something like 5 minutes in order to see what is happening in real time right now. This will make more sense. Now here, let me go down like this. Let's start with something like this, somewhere like here, in order to see it properly. So the market was in uptrend. You see the market is in uptrend. Then we can see here market broke this level, broke this previous higher low. Means if this level is broken, means the market has changed the character. It was an uptrend, but right now we want to look for the sell. Now which level make this break of structure happen? There are two levels here. One, there's this supply area here, and two, there's this supply area here. After this move push up to the upside here, you see. So what market did was this: market came down, came up to the same level. A lot of people put their stop loss here, so market keep going up, take them all of them out. Then when it reached out to this level, market pulled back, pull down, but it didn't break this structure here. So if it didn't break this structure, means this is still in an uptrend. Still, this should be broken again and again, because right now we need to see higher high and higher lows, higher high and higher lows being created. As you can see here, this is like another change of character. So now market has changed from lower time frame to higher time frame again. Then market, if this is the change of character already, means market will look at it, which make this break of structure to happen. Obviously this one and not this one. So the market come back to this level, then push all the way up until it break this structure again. But this is like swap of liquidity. What is swap of liquidity? What is swap of liquidity? You can see a lot of people will put their stop loss here. So what market did, came back here, but this is already break of structure. Then it pushed down all the way to what make this breakout happen, which was this area here. But in this area there are a lot of orders. A lot of orders are sitting here. So what market do? Look what is other demand area. We find out there is a good demand area here. There's a good demand area here because a lot of pending orders are here. So what market did? Market pulled back. We could not enter this market because we can see market is very, very strong. So if market is strong, don't enter yet until you see the change of character. So market came back to the same level, tested it. Then after tested it, you'll see market shows the change of character again, which was this one here. So after change of character, what we want to see the pullback, which pullback to the same level or the place where the push started. So market came down there and push all the way up until somewhere around here. Remember, every single time market creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But this higher low, this time here, this higher low, it came all the way down until it break this structure here. So market shift. This is a change of character, means market is no longer an uptrend, it's coming to a downtrend. What market do? Market return to the area which was a previous supply zone, and you can see here it's come up, it's hunt all the stop loss above here, but already this is a change of character, and then market keep on pushing down and down and down. So market push down all the way to this level. But you need to remember something here. Market has already changed the character. If market has already changed the character, note this: whenever we are doing down here, our business is up here because already change of character happened. So market came down to this level here, then came up until it break the structure. As you can see, it's break the structure. Then market pull back to this level, but not only this level. Remember, we need to see change of character. Without change of character, we are still in a downtrend. So market came up, even broke again, but here the catch. After coming down here, market push up, which break the structure. Then market come down again, and break this structure here. Let me show you. Break this structure here. So let's proceed. So market come back to this level, swap the liquidity, then market start going up and up and up, as right now here. Now let's look at what is happening right now in V25. We have this trend here. we had this trend which was then market break. Right now the market break this structure, but I'll be glad if I see this structure here broken. That will be like a good area. So if that broken, we will call it change of character, because the market will be shifting from bullish to bearish. So what I want to see right now is one of the things to happen. One, if I enter here, right, like right now where we are, I'll put my stop loss below and I will be targeting even higher. But if this market come down all the way like this, like two, what I want to see market coming back to this level. Then I want to see it change the character, a pullback here, then a continuous to a down trend. This is what I want to see. If the market will break this level, I want to see market coming back to this level, show me a change of character, then I will proceed with a sell, whereby all my orders will be taken here. A very tight stop loss, above the key level. Then I will be targeting even far away. So this is for volatilities. Remember, if you want to do this in trading view, there is an indicator help you to do all these stuffs, draw every single line, every single thing. But I don't want you to complicate stuffs. Just come to an indicator called smart money concept, by Lux Algo. This will help you to draw all the lines you need in this thing. But long story short, try to simplify this thing. As we can see right now, this market was in uptrend. This is V75. This market is in uptrend. We can see a clear break of structure here. We can see a clear break of structure there. Then we see market did a pullback to this was a level. Market did a pullback to this level, then pull back, push back like here. So if you want to catch up this level, you can see we have a tiny of breakout here, and what caused this breakout was this level. So if someone want to get into this market, the best way will be here. But if you want to get in right now, you can put your stop loss somewhere around there, and you'll be targeting somewhere around here or here. You see, so this is a smart money concept. Always look for a breakout, a break of trend line, but the break of trend line, make sure that break is very strong until it's break the previous low. Then wait for the pullback, enter, and everything else will be history. So that's it. Hopefully you get it. If you didn't get it, don't worry, I'll be recording every single day new video about my strategy. And from tomorrow, Monday of 10th, we'll be going live. We'll be doing a lot of free signals on YouTube. For those who are in my group, don't worry, I'll be sharing signals there so we could trade together. Remember, trading is easy if you master your mindset. After saying all that, have a nice day.